Hi everyone, this is Greg Munroe with Munroe Morrow Wealth Management. We wanted to give you a quick update on the stock market and the outlook for the market going forward. The U.S. stock market is off to a pretty stiff decline here in the first couple weeks of the year. The S&P 500, which is the largest U.S. companies, is down about 8%, and the technology stocks, which are measured by the NASDAQ, are down about 15% in a short period of time. The reason for this decline is primarily due to the Federal Reserve indicating that it's going to increase interest rates. And when the Federal Reserve increases interest rates, it's trying to slow down a hot economy. And when that happens, that transition period needs to get digested by the stock market. It typically causes stocks to decline. Rising interest rates is like gravity on stocks. It pulls them down in the short run as the stock market digests to higher interest rates. The good news is that the reason, again, that the Federal Reserve is increasing interest rates is because the economy is performing well, because it's getting stronger, and because it might be getting a little bit too hot. So they have to pull it back. So the thing to keep your eye on as a long-term investor is that don't forget about the good news. The good news behind all of this is that the economy is doing well. Corporate profits are supposed to increase by about 8 to 10% this year. So corporate profits are rising. The GDP, the U.S. economy is expected to expand in total by about 3 or 4%, and there's very low risk of a recession. So when you have those three things, rising corporate profits, rising GDP, and a low risk of recession, stocks very rarely stay down. They usually grind higher over time. So what we'd suggest this year is keep your eye out to December 31st, to the end of the year. We think things will be improving by then, but it might be rough along the way as this transition happens. But don't forget that the fundamentals always win out. In the short run, traders and emotions drive where the stock market goes. In the long run, it's the fundamentals that win out. And the fundamentals right now look pretty good. If you have any questions or anything we can help with regarding your particular situation, please reach out, email us, or give us a call, and we'll get right back to you to set up a call or a Zoom or a face-to-face to go over things with you. Thank you.